Hello, I'm Mike Griffin. Today I've got the Fury Double Trouble Tactical Pen. This tactical pen has two heads. Has a lethal and a non-lethal striking end. This is the lethal striking end. It's pointed, it's fluted, and it's designed to penetrate, to rip flesh, or it will also break out a window for rescue in your car. Also takes a standard ink refill. Very nice pen. Removable pocket clip. It's made out of anodized aluminum. Excellent quality by Fury, JoyEnterprises. Easy to unscrew. Remove the lethal head. You can remove the clip if you want to. Now we'll add the non-lethal. We have more of a Kubotan for standard strikes for self-defense. Also a great writing pen. We'll show a few techniques using the Fury Double Trouble Tactical Pen. Thank you. Fury Double Trouble Tactical Pen with the non-lethal striking end. We'll show a few strikes. First one will be the thrust. Pull it out, thrust. Second one will be a hammer strike. I'll now remove the non-lethal tip, and we'll put in the lethal tip. Basic thrusting strike. Hammer strike. Fury Double Trouble Tactical Pen. Retails for approximately $20. You can purchase this retail at www.griffinmarshalltraining.com. If you're interested in a dealership for wholesale prices, contact JoyEnterprises. www.joyenterprises.com. Awesome pen, great quality, perfect self-defense tool. Thank you.